next kind of element we are going to talk about are the noble gases. The noble gases are generally called the inert gas. When you use the word inert, inert means not reactive. That is, these are elements that are not reactive. At what stage does an element get to become a not reactive element? It is when it cannot either give or receive. For instance, let's consider neon. Neon is number 10 on the periodic table, and if you want to arrange neon on the K, L, M, N shell, neon firstly fill in the K shell with 2 electrons, then fill in the L shell with 8 electrons. Now when you look at the valence electron, which is the last shell, you would have seen it's completely filled up. So in this case, it does not need anything to come in, and it does not need anything to give out. So in that kind of state, is in a stable state, or you call it an octet structure. So neon is in a stable state or is found in an octet structure, meaning a balanced or a stable structure. So in this kind of case, the valency of such an element are always called 0. Another example again is argon. When you look at argon, argon is number 18 on the periodic table. Writing argon on the K and Mn shell, I'm going to have it as 2, 8, and 8. As you can see, the K shell is 2, the L shell is 8, and the M shell is 8. They are all filled up. No space for them to accommodate more electron, and no space for them to give out electron. So in that kind of case, the valency of argon is known to be 0. Okay, let's talk about the first 20 elements, their symbol and valency. So we want to wrap up this section. So the first 20 elements, their symbols and their valency. So have it in mind, like I said, you need to memorize this. Your hydrogen is symbolized as H and the valency is 1. Helium symbolized as He and valency is 0. Lithium, Li, valency is 1. Beryllium, Be, valency is 2. Boron, B, valency is 3. Carbon, C, valency is 4. Nitrogen, now careful, the other time I told you carbon can have 2 valency, either 4 or -2. But for this case, they only dropped 1. But we are still right. Nitrogen is 3. Nitrogen is symbolized as N, valency is 3. Oxygen is symbolized as O, valency is 2. Fluorine, F, valency is 1. Neon, Ne, valency is 0. Sodium, Na, valency is 1. Magnesium, Mg, valency is 2. Aluminium, Al, valency is 3. Silicon, Xi, valency is 4. Phosphorus, P, valency is 3. Sulfur, S, valency is 2. Chlorine, Cl, valency is 1. Argon, Al, valency is 0. Potassium, K, valency is 1. Calcium, Ca, valency is 2. So please, these are the first 20 elements, their symbol and their valency.